Hello everyone. I'm here to present our capstone SER517 project, Drink Rank. Drink Rank is aimed to be a cloud source platform for the product of wines, where users can come in and rate each wine product and help each other gain information about the product. It is also meant to be a platform for manufacturers and sellers to come and showcase their offerings to the users and directly to the user community. I'm going to be going over the implemented features now. First one being responsive design. As you can see, this is our application. This application is designed to be responsive to any size screen that a user may look at the application from. As you can see, this the whole website is responsive and it is scalable to all screen sizes. The next feature I'm going to be talking about is the top-rated wines. This feature is visible on the homepage itself, as you can see here. These are the top-rated wines in the wine repository that we have. And from here, the user can also go and see all wine picks. The next feature I'm going to be talking about is the wine manufacturers. This is also integrated into the homepage, as you can see. This showcases some of the wine manufacturers that are there on our website. From here, the user can also go and check all manufacturers that are registered onto the website.
Hello, my name is Zeyong Cai. Next, I will show you how to sign up and log in. First, let's click the sign up tab on the navigation bar. And see, we can have three tab series. We can choose form. Now, let's create an account now. Let's tap the name first and select date of birth. And type in email. And your location. See the sports autocomplete. And your password. Select country. And click register. You can create an account. Okay, now let's log in as the user we just created. And type in password. Click login. Okay, we can now see we are on the profile page of the user we just created. The next feature I'm going to show is, as an administrator, how to manage newly registered manufacturers. So as a manufacturer, if you sign up an account, you need to get approval to get into your account. So let's first log in as an administrator. In the profile page, we can see that there is a manufacturer waiting for approval. So we can approve or decline it. So now let's approve the manufacturer. And the next feature is that as a seller, how to manage brands in stock. First, let's log in as a seller. So in the profile page, we can see the ones already in stock. So we can remove any of them. If we want to add new ones to stock, we can navigate to All Picks page and click Add to Stock to add any of them to stock. Now if we navigate to the profile page, we can see it's in stock. The next feature I will going to show is that when we browse the wine, we can find all available sellers on a map. So first, select any wine on this page. Then we can see the details page of this wine. Under available sellers, we can see all available sellers are listed on the left window, and it also shows on the map. Click one of them, you can the map will resend to its location. And if you click the marker on the map, you can also see their information. If you click your location on the top window, the map will resend to your location.
Hi, this is Zachary. I'm gonna show you how the rating works in this page. So let's go to the wine detail first. So here you can see 1.6, and this is just not a average. This rating number has already taken off all the outsider based on the standard deviation. And the next thing I'm gonna show you is how to identify the troll comments here. Let's go to the comment section here. So here, if you pay a little attention, you can find the date over here. You can find this is the recent one, but it gets ranked at the bottom of the old comments. And it's because the classifier already decided this is a troll. So based on, you can find the URL here. So the classifier decide it's a troll, so it gets ranked at the bottom. So user will not see the troll-like comments right on the top. The next thing is show comment info. In the first version of the app, you cannot find anything like the user ID over here and the post date and the rating star here. And in this semester, we do the old things like the number rating, the posting date and time, and the user ID. All right, the next thing is the block inappropriate content. So let's go to find the most recent one I did here. So you can find in this comment, you can find it says inappropriate content detect because this user say something like the swear word in the comment, and the blocker already find that, so it blocked it for the user, so user can see the comfortable comments all the way and find the one the users like.
So our next feature is average taste notes. So as you can see here, there is a animation going on which graphs out the various taste notes, and you can see the values of how sweet, sour, and bitter the wine is. The next feature would be a video that is shown to the user based on the type of wine. So here you can see it's a red wine, so we have a red wine basics video for the user, and similarly for the white wines as well. Next on, let's move on to the search functionality. So if you can just type in some random letter, and you can see there's a wines starting with C. You can even filter out those wines based on your preferences. So if you want like a wine with alcohol percentage 14, you can just hit search and it will filter out the results. As you can see, there's alcohol percentage 14 here. The next feature would be we have a constant animation of the top 3 cheapest wines on our wine picks page. It'll be constantly going on. As you can see, it changes regularly, and it's always the 3 cheapest wines. And finally, we have the web crawler that has populated the wine data. So all the wines that you see here on this page are all sourced from the web crawler. We are currently at over 400 wines, and we can move on to thousands. It's not a problem. It's just a matter of time for running the web crawler. All right, that has been our presentation, and feel free to give us